Let's take a look at how Lenovo and Microsoft make it extremely easy to update your ThinkAgile MX cluster running Azure Local. As you can see here, our MX cluster has some updates available, so let's go ahead and check it out. We simply click One-Time Update, and the first step will be to run a readiness check on the cluster. As part of the update process, each node will be put into maintenance mode, and any VMs or other resources will be evacuated and moved onto other nodes within the cluster. So it is important to make sure the cluster is healthy before we start this process. Since we're good to go, we'll go ahead and click Next. And as you can see here, there are actually two updates available. The first one is a cumulative update for the Azure Local OS operating system from Microsoft. And you also see here an SBE pack, or Solution Builder extension. This contains Lenovo's best recipes, which contain firmware and drivers that have been validated by both Lenovo and Microsoft to ensure a seamless update process for our customers. Once they have been verified, they will be made available in the portal for customers to update, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and click Next. We first must agree to some licensing terms, and then we'll go ahead and click Install. The updates will now be downloaded directly from Microsoft onto the cluster. And once this is done, we're going to go ahead and begin the update process. So first, we will validate that each individual node is ready. Once we've done that, the nodes will be put into maintenance mode. All VMs and resources will be moved to other nodes within the cluster to ensure that the cluster itself stays up throughout the process and is non-disruptive to the business. Once it's been completed on all nodes within the cluster, we will see here that we have had success. And we come back and we can now see that our cluster is up to date. So it was just that easy, and we were able to update both the operating system and our firmware and drivers for the hardware at the same exact time. If you would like to learn more, go to Lenovo.com and check out ThinkAgile MX.